Hey, what's up guys, back here with another video, and today I am going to be teaching you few shortcuts or keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. Anyways guys, let's get started. So I bet you already know few keyboard shortcuts, including Control W for closing a tab in Chrome or Microsoft Word, even let's say Control Tab for switching between different tabs, and many others. But here I'll teach you many cool keyboard shortcuts that will make everything much more faster. So let's get started. So this keyboard shortcut can help you organize your desktop very easily. And you can switch between home and work stuff. So the way to do that is press Windows Tab. Basically, this is the same thing as going 3 fingers and sliding across the trackpad on Mac OS. So all you have to do is press Windows Tab, and you can see on the screen a lot of tabs you can add if you want to from the top section that says New Desktop, which is actually very helpful. So now let me teach you some, Google Chrome shortcuts. So all you have to do is go to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and then let's say you want to open an extra tab or as many tabs as you want. So all you have to do is press Control T. So as you see here, more tabs until you want to stop. If you want to delete some of the tabs, you can press Control W, and as you see there, you're deleting all of the tabs that you want. Now let's say you have few of the tabs open and you want to go to a specific tab without moving your mouse and clicking there. Well, all you have to do is press Control 1 to go to the first one, Control 3 to go to the third one, and so on and so forth. You can also go in order by doing Control Tab, and you will just go in order without a specific tab that you want to go through. Now, let's say we close Spotify, the tab, and we want to go back to that. Well, the way we do it is by pressing on Google or Microsoft Edge and pressing Control Shift T. So as you see here, Control Shift T, and there you go, Spotify is back. So now let me teach you the most important one that I feel that everyone should know. So this one is not controlling, but deleting the application that you want. So the first thing that we want to do is click on the application, and now press Alt F4. So like this, Alt F4. There you go, and that's gone. And all you have to do is bring it back up by pressing on that icon, and it'll bring it back up with no problem. So that are few keyboard shortcuts that you should really know. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, like it. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button, right the like button if you get updates on more videos coming very soon. Plus follow me on my Twitter account, that's gonna be linked right below the like button if you want to get updates on more videos coming soon and almost anything that's going on in my life. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it. Peace.